morning 9th standard. This is English class. Today I am going to teach you Unit 3 Prose Old Man River. This is a drama is written by Dorothy Deming. This drama tells about natural disaster and what precaution the people should take before natural disaster and how could the people evacuate from the disaster. Like that we come to know in the lesson. What is natural disaster? A natural event such as flood, tsunami, earthquake or cyclone that causes great damage to property or loss of life. That is natural disaster. Okay, now see the book Unit 3 Old Man River written by Dorothy Deming. See the warm up. Look at these pictures of cyclone, floods, earthquake and tsunami. The first picture represents cyclone. Second picture represents flood. Third picture represents earthquake. Fourth picture represents tsunami. Okay children, now come to second Roman letter, that is B Roman letter. Fill the word verb with words related to natural disaster. One example is done for you, that is collapse given. Another 7 natural disaster you have to find out right and then send me clearly. This is your today's homework. Now we can enter the drama. The characters. What are the characters in drama we can see now? First one, Emmy Marshall, 17 years old. Emmy Marshall, 17 years old. Betty Marshall, her younger sister. Emmy's younger sister, Betty Marshall. Rosefield, their neighbor. Rosefield, 16 years old, the Marshall's neighbor. Sarah Field, Rose's sister. 9 years old, Rose's sister. Jim Hall, 17 years old boy, another neighbor. Mr. Beaters, member of the Red Cross Disaster Committee. Penny Marsh, Red Cross nurse. Timing, late afternoon in March. Setting, living room of Marshall home. That is, in where is the setting, where the scene is taking means Marshall home, living room of the Marshall home. Okay children, before enter the scene, I am going to say you summary of the drama. Dorothy Deming in her drama Old Man River described the experiences of a group of youngsters during flood situation. The first scene opens with Emmy and Rose knitting and Betty looking at the picture in the magazine in the living room. It is heavy rain day. The room is very dark. Emmy switches on the light. Rose goes to the window to see outside how much water around their home. All the three realize that the rain is very heavy. Betty says that radio announced the river was above the danger line. So the river bring more water. So the water is surrounding their home. By the time they hear a noise, that is Jim entered the hall. He informed that the river is racing fast. The Burnett Dam is broken. He asks Emmy and Betty where their parents are. Emmy said her mother is taken Dick to the dentist. Dick, her brother. And she may stop at Mrs. Brandt's. Brandt means her mother's friend. To get something on her way, father has gone to Chicago on business. Like that she told. Suddenly they hear the phone ringing. Emmy attend to it and in the phone her mother only speak with her. Mother advises them to be careful and asks Rose to stay there the day. Emmy, Rose and Betty decide to fill the vessel with fresh water because if electricity goes means they would not get good fresh water. So they decided to fill the vessel with fresh water. Jim asks Betty to get her flashlight, candle, lamps, everything. Jim and Emmy will check food, blanket and coats and he wants the girls to get the first aid kit ready. Emmy is really scared. Scared means getting afraid and Jim tells her not show the fear to others. The water level is increasing. They plan to go to attic if water enter their house. If water enter their house, they plan to go to the attic. Jim decides to go on the roof and send some signal for help so that someone send a boat to evacuate. They are getting ready with the food, light and other items. Now they hear the voice of a child, that is Sarah. Who is Sarah? Rose's sister. She accompanied Rose but went to the playhouse. She cannot come out of that. Jim goes out and takes Sarah inside the house. Lights go out. There is no electricity. They manage with a candle. Now no electricity, so they manage with candle. Jim say in low voice to Amy, water level is increasing. Their floor may be under water next morning. Tomorrow their floor also may be under water. Like that he told her. Jim decides to go on the roof to get someone help. Okay children, this is the end of first scene. Now we can enter into drama.